Good morning, York Rangers. This is Miss Santana with your Women's History Month tidbit. Today we are going to travel to Australia. We are going to meet two fabulous women who changed the World Olympics in the sport of swimming. Sarah Durack, also known as Fanny, and Wilhelmine Wiley, also known as Mina. They were best friends when they started swimming together, and they tried to join different clubs, swim clubs, back home in Australia, and they were constantly told no, that women were not supposed to be competing in swimming. And they said, well, I dare to challenge. And they moved on to swim clubs that were a lot smaller and less known. But because of their times and how fast they were, they actually qualified for the very first in 1912, the Olympic Games that were held in Stockholm, where it was for the very first time featured women's swimming events. And these two best friends rocked them. They rocked every single competition, and they won all these medals. And when they got home, they were celebrated as female heroes. And so after they got their medals, they actually went to promote the sport of swimming for girls and other sports as well, so they can continue living the dream of participating in sports and actually making it to the biggest event in the entire planet, which is the Olympics. So sometimes, friends, you have to look at a situation around you and dare to challenge.
ايش حيقولوا عنك؟ انك مو المفروض تكوني هنا، انه ده مو ليكي، انه دي ما هي لعبتك، او يمكن يقولوا انك قوية، انه ما حد يقدر يوقفك، انك حتلاقي طريقك، قدها، انك ابهرتيهم. او يمكن يقولوا انك حتصيري شيء كبير.
Have a great day, Rangers.